What's up everybody? In today's video we are going to learn how to blend images in Photoshop, where you can just match two colors of two images like we can see here. If you see this image, it's not really matching with the background, but after doing what we are going to do, it's just going to match with the background as if these two images are in the same place. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right in. Okay, first thing we need to do is to create a new document. As usual, have your document set up. You can choose any size of your choice. I've already provided these images in the description below, so you can just use it. Okay, we're going to import both images into the document. Let me click OK on this one, and let's drag this other one and just bring it in. Okay, so I want to scale this one to fill the screen and move it a little bit upward. Then for this second one, let's make it on top and let's just make it real big and maybe place it somewhere here. Okay, and we can just make it something like this. Okay, what we really need to do is the adjustment layer of curve. Okay, you come to curve and you make a clipping mask. Okay, right click and say create clipping mask. Okay, then you select the adjustment layer here, which is actually the curve adjustment layer, not the mask. Okay, then you come to the panel here where you have the property. Okay, you hold down your alt key and you click on this auto. Okay, this is going to open this panel here, and you just have to click on this find dark and light colors. Okay, once you click on it, these three colors are going to on grade, because before then when it was here they were actually grayed out. So you click on this one now and it's just going to bring it like this. So you click on these shadows and you just click on the dark part of the image. Let's pick something dark. At least I want something like this was blooded a little bit. Okay, from the background, just click the darkest part of the image, and for the mid-tone you just click something light. Okay, let's look for something orangey or something red. Okay, I think this one is okay. Then let's just click off and you can click OK, and this little window is going to pop up. Just say no. Okay, because it's asking you if you are going to use this as the default. Okay, this is not what you want, so just click no. And right here, the adjustment curve, now you can just make some cool adjustment curve to make it really blend in. Okay, as you can see, as I'm taking it up, it's not really giving me what I want, so let me go the opposite way, and this is just going to give me some curve. Let's take out the dark, because the image generally is dark, so we're just going to make it more dark. Okay, and as you can see, it's gradually blending with it. This depends on what you want, on how much you want that blend. And let's just take out more of those blacks. Okay, let's push this one a little bit up. Okay, it all boils down to what you're going for. I think this is pretty okay, because if you go back to what we have here and if you turn off this layer, and I can see that the difference is clear. So this is how you can actually blend so many layers in your design and just blend images using color matching. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And today is day 55 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.